Hi everyone, so in this quick video, I will show you how you can quickly build a link shortener using Bitly and Integromat. So first, let's start with our spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of URLs. I've also added some UTM links parameters. If you want, I will put this sheet in the description box. But so the idea is to get the link that is in the column E and shorten it in column F. So here we only have 3 URLs, but this is just an example. This will work with as many URLs you want to shorten. So okay, we have a spreadsheet, so let's go to Integromat. And now we can first access our Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and we are going to get a range value. So if you want this this scenario to be triggered every time you add a row, you should select watch rows. But since I already have a list of URLs I want to shorten, I'm just going to get a range value so that I can get the range with the value. So okay, I'm connected already. Let me where is my, yes, there it is. And okay, so I'm in sheet 1. The range is going to be E2, E4. So let's go ahead and get E2 to E4. Okay, now I'm going to run the scenario and see what I get. Okay, so I have my URL over there, and now I can connect to the Bitly module. So there we go. So it's going to be a shortened URL, and I'm going to add a connection. So I have to connect to Bitly. So they will ask you if you want to connect with Make and okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Ish. And I don't have any domain, advanced settings, no. Okay, so this will work. So now what we have to do is we have to iterate over the various rows that we have in this module. So I'm just going to add an iterator over there. And the array is going to be this one. And now that we have the module to shorten the URLs, now we can add the shortened URL over there. So we're going to use the update. We're going to use the update cell module in Google Sheets. There we go, update cell. There it is. And then we're going to select the same spreadsheet we've been using, so the bulk link shortener, sheet 1, and then the cell that we are going to retrieve is going to be, so F, because we're in column F, and then we're going to use the row number. So for example, for here, row number 2 would be this row number over there, here. So we're just going to get F and the row number, and the value is going to be the bitlink ID. I don't want the HTTPS part, so I'm just going to get this. So okay. So now that we have our module that's ready, let's run it and see if it works. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my bitlinks. So again, as I said, this is if, like me, you have a list of URLs you want to shorten. If you want to automatically create a new link, all you have to do is use the watch rows module and remove the iterator. So that's it. I hope that this great video was helpful, and I will see you in another automation video very soon. Bye.